Wiring is fundamental in electrical engineering, and understanding the different types is crucial. First, we have single-phase wiring, commonly used in residential settings, providing a simple and efficient power supply for lighting and small appliances. Then, there's three-phase wiring, which is essential for industrial applications, allowing for a more balanced load and greater efficiency in power distribution. Next, consider low-voltage wiring, often used in telecommunications and security systems. It's designed to carry less than 50 volts, making it safer for installations. On the other hand, high-voltage wiring is critical for transmitting electricity over long distances, minimizing energy loss. Lastly, we have flexible wiring, which is ideal for applications requiring movement, like in robotics or machinery. Each type of wiring serves a unique purpose, and mastering these concepts is key to becoming a proficient electrical engineer. Understanding these distinctions not only enhances your technical skills, but also prepares you for real-world application. There are many types of electrical wiring, including cleat wiring, a cheap, temporary wiring method that's used internally, conduit wiring, where cables are protected by a tube made of metal, plastic, fiber, or fired clay. Metal conduits are durable but expensive, while non-metal pipes are flexible, batten wiring, where insulated wires are run through wooden battens that are fixed to walls or ceilings with screws or plugs, casing wiring, where PVC insulated wires are placed in plastic casings and covered with a cap, armored cable, used when NM cable isn't sufficient, having a metallic protective coating for more protection than plastic sheathing, and it's only suitable for buildings with fewer than 3 stories. And coaxial cable, also known as coax, which has an inner conductor surrounded by a concentric conducting shield, with a dielectric separating the two.